All right, guys, we're back again for another tractor video here, short one. I get this question almost daily about when my handlebars are like this and I'm driving it and I push them both all the way forward, it wants to dog track one direction. Like it's going faster on the left-hand side or faster to the right-hand side. Why is that? And I tell people, when you do this, make sure these are adjusted right now. So you can tell mine are slightly off, barely. I have it done that way kind of for the video here. But basically, what I had found out yesterday, and I actually did not even know this, I found this out kind of on accident though, is something you gotta check. These screws here, right there and right there, are adjustment screws. So when you put this guy in here, let me get you in here where you can see. When you put that in there, and you move this all the way forward, okay? It's kind of hard to see in there, but this piece bottoms out on this. If you look at mine, look at that one there, and then look at this one. This one over here has 2 threads, almost 3 threads coming out, whereas this one here has only the 1 thread coming out, almost 2. Mine is actually off about 1/8 of an inch. Now, I've already readjusted that, and yes, that made a huge difference. There's 1/8 of an inch on that. You wouldn't think would make a difference, but when you're sitting on here and you go to move these forward like that, it doesn't seem like it's off that much, but I guess that 1/8 of an inch on that will make a difference onto there. So something you guys might want to do here is just take a good measurement of what how much threads are out on that, and this thing here just, is back that out or adjust it in, and you would be amazed as how much of a difference that makes. I just learned that last night. I never knew that was even there till I was looking over my mower for maintenance and doing some repairs and stuff. Not repairs, but I cleaned off the deck yesterday before I cut my grass, and you can see I gotta do it again, but I noticed that, I tried it, and it did work. I readjusted it back where it was just to show you guys an example here. But just learn a quick little video here on adjusting these guys to make sure the mower doesn't just veer off to one side while you're going full speed. So hope it helps somebody out. Hopefully it answers some questions. And thanks for watching once again, and we'll talk to you guys later.